Lección 208. ¿Quiénes quedan? Who's left? Primera parte. In this series, we see students at the Chef's Academy at Indianapolis in a contest called Who's Left Cooking. It takes place over 3 Fridays. There are 11 teams, 11 equipos, each with 3 estudiantes. They have 1 hour to make 4 dishes. The main problem is that there are 3 secret ingredients to be revealed when the contest starts. Judging is done by highly regarded chefs who visit the Academy. Today we will see 4 of the 11 teams. Even though all of them did not advance, they were really pumped up after the competition and looking forward to next year's contest.
Are we taking our plates somewhere else? Just make them all here.
I think we have to, I don't know.
Pensar. Piensan. Piensan. Come. Huele. Comen. Piensan. Piensan. Están pensando. Escribe. Ensalada, cola, agua. Ya tiene un tenedor, pero también necesita un cuchillo. Ahora tiene un cuchillo y un tenedor. Escribe. Huele. Escribe. What's going through their heads right now with 5 minutes to go? Is this when a chef starts hollering at the workers?
Yeah. Move it! Let's go!
Does anybody need to take that personal?
No. Because at the end of the day, I'm still tell you, I love you.
Te quiero. Te quiero. Este hombre se llama Chef Tony. He's been a Super Bowl chef for years at a fundraiser where the NFL players and staff and whoever else is invited enjoy incredible food and contribute money toward hunger around the world. But have you ever scored a touchdown?
When I got married.
Whoa, that's a beautiful thing to say. When I covered the Tailgaters cook-off competition out here, some of the guys were making recipes that they said were home cooking, recipes from mom or grandma. Mm-hmm. But the students here must know something grandma doesn't know.
Technique-wise, I would hope, especially something like that, out tailgating. I don't know if grandma there was out tailgating it before a game or not, but it could have been.
Where did you learn to cook?
I was classically French trained in Galway, Ireland. I was there for 2 years. Then I left Ireland and went to London for 4 years.
You didn't say anything about your mother or your grandma?
They can. They're not that good.
What I mean, there's a reason for coming to school here.
Oh, definitely, definitely. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hours. There's a high demand on your physically and mentally, and just the organization, running a kitchen.
This attracts a lot of men. I can't believe it.
Yeah, I don't know why, but it does. I think probably the long hours, just the pressure.
Okay, these guys have a simple strategy. What does simple mean?
It's not overthinking it. Don't overcomplicate the dish.
How do you keep a dish simple and yet expert?
That's the task. That's the trick. Out here soon.
Is it? Do you feel a lot of pressure this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, tell us how.
More nervous than anything. Just trying to figure out what we're going to do.
What does it mean when you don't know what's in the secret box, which I happen to know a little bit about?
So do you want to inform us any?
Sorry. Chef Tony did tell me that one of the ingredients would be pollo. This allowed me to cover the contest better. None of us knew the secret combination was pollo, queso de cabra, and eggplant. Have you guys been under this kind of pressure before?
No, I think this is a first for all of us. That's kind of why we really did this, though. I mean, it's good to be the unknown and thrown into the kitchen and just prepare. So, I mean, it's...
I asked Chef Tony yesterday, why is it that there are so many men in this cooking business? He says, I don't really know. He says, but I think it has something to do with the pressure.
I could say that.
Could be.
There's 3 ingredients in the box. It has to be used in some way, shape, or form. Not all of it. If you don't, it has to be incorporated in the dish. I want 5 dishes. Okay, 4 for the judges, and I thought we'd have a nice one for display. Now, the fire extinguishers, we'll make sure you find where those are. All right.
Plates that you guys can use over here.
Oh, looks like we got
Outside plates allowed.
thyme, oregano, mint, parsley, dill, rosemary.
Los estudiantes están mirando los ingredientes. Los estudiantes miran. Lo miran todo. Un equipo de 3 estudiantes se están preparando.
2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Who's our teammate?
We're right there.
You like what you're seeing?
We use a lot of this from 101 to 103 where I'm at right now. So a lot of things are looking familiar. That's good.
One more minute.
You like what you're seeing here?
Oh yes, got a lot of variety going on.
That'll make, and the advantage for that will be?
Making a great dish. I mean, basically got anything here to make a great dish.
Everybody at their stations. Come on, let's go. You're killing me. All right. 1, 2, 3. It starts. Go.
Aquí tienes el queso de cabra, goat cheese. Y aquí tienes the eggplant. Chef, can you tell a whole lot about a student by what they pick out at the beginning?
Yeah, a lot of they creativity, see what's going on up there.